Hi, I'm Monique with Walker Tape. Today let's cover some fixes for common tape failures. Since just about anything can affect a tape's performance, we suggest using proper storage techniques to safeguard against heat, moisture, light, and oxygen. When it comes to installing, make sure to have performed a patch test to ensure the tape works on your client's skin. Then, for the best holds, be sure to clean your client's scalp and hair and also use a scalp protector. Lastly, we suggest encouraging your clients to follow a few helpful tips. Ask them to wait 24 hours before they swim, work out, or shower. Then, after that, really encourage them to always wear a swim cap when they go swimming. If you want to offer them a way to skip the 24-hour wait, use our Max Hold Sport. It allows your clients to hit the gym or showers immediately after your appointment. For more helpful tape tips, visit our blog at walkertapeco.com.